I'm going to draw a picture that models this on a rectangular piece of paper. That's the first thing I do is I draw a rectangular piece of paper. Please do the same. This person drew a triangle whose base is the same length as the piece of paper, and height is the same as the width. So my triangle looks like this. Next, it says draw a ratio. Now this is the important part. Please make 2 dots and put a box in front of both. We're going to draw a ratio or make a comparison. It's the area of the triangle, so let's write that down. Area of triangle to the area of the rectangle. Now you may be thinking to yourself, how can I come up with the area of a triangle or the area of a rectangle when they gave me no length? Then we're going to use arbitrary numbers, and we're going to use numbers that are easy to work with. So let's make it this way. You ready? Let's say this length down here, it looks a lot shorter than this. Let's just make it up. Let's say that this is 4 units down below. And let's say that this height is 6. So the first thing you need to know is that there's 2 ways to represent ratios. One, I like this way. It's going to be a number followed by another number. Okay? Another way they can do it is they can make a fraction. And please draw an arrow. So in this case, the first number always goes on top, and the second number always goes on the bottom. So I know that the easiest way for us to figure out the area of a rectangle is taking the length times the width. If you need to use a calculator, do that. What is 4 times 6? 4 times 6 is 24. So come off the side. Here's 24 and here's 24. Why did I put them twice or put them both in back or in the bottom? Because that was repeated second. Area of a triangle is first, so it goes in front or on top. Area of a rectangle was stated second. It goes in back or on the bottom. Now I need to figure out the area of a triangle. Who remembers what the formula for area of a triangle is? Okay, that's great, but that is going to be all the interior angles. Area of a triangle, write this down, you need to memorize this, is base times height, and then you divide it by 2. You take the base times the height and divide it by 2. Again, area of a rectangle is simply base times height. We did that. So I want to take the base of this triangle times the height, so which is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24, but then I have to divide it by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So I have 12 over 24. 12 over 24. I look over here and I don't see any 12 over 24. Please grab your calculator, and if you're not great with simplifying of fractions in your mind, please go 12 divided by 24, then hit math on the left, fraction, enter, enter, and we can see it reduces down to 1/2. So 1/2 is the correct answer. We could have wrote it like 1 to 2, or we could have wrote it equivalently of 1 over 2.